Now I want to show you what gear do you need in addition to your phone in order to take great pictures. Okay, first of all, let me say this. You don't need anything. All you need is just your phone, especially when you're shooting landscape. However, when you're shooting inside, you can buy additional props to make it more interesting. The first accessory that I would buy is a ring light. It's extremely useful when you're shooting inside because it creates a beautiful light, exactly as the one that you see on my face right now. Usually USB powered. You can attach a power bank or even to your computer as I'm doing right now. For example, when you turn it on, it has different lights, either yellow, white, or even in the middle. And this is a phone holder. So what you do usually is you attach your phone right here, and then on a tripod, and then you talk to your phone or you take video, whatever you want. Probably my favorite accessory of all of them is this one. It's the Gorilla Pod. This is basically a tripod that you can put anywhere, and you can move the legs, rotate them, so you can put in grips, you can put in hand drills, you can put in anywhere, literally wherever you want you can put this. So the brand of this is called Joby, and it's probably the top one for smartphonography. And it's really amazing because the quality is great, but the price is really reasonable. For example, you can put the tripod like this, and then with here, you can move, and you place the phone right here. You can place it horizontal or vertical as you want. It's perfect for vlogging. When I'm like this, I can just go around and film some cool stuff. Not only, but this brand is really cool because it's modular and you can attach 2 extra arms. What you can do with 2 extra arms, you can attach a microphone. For example, the Wavo, still from Joby. Amazing quality, extremely portable. You can unmount it and then you place it here. Maybe if you want to keep your phone on landscape mode, or depending how you want to make the video, you can keep it like this. So you have the microphone right there, phone, you can attach it easy. Not only, we can attach even 1 extra arm on the other side. And the thing that I love is the small light, still by Joby. It's amazing, it's extremely bright. You can charge it very fast. There you go. And then you can increase or decrease the intensity of the light, and I love it. There you go. It's called Beamo, and you can attach it, and as you can see, it's really amazing. Watch. So good for vlogging. You can just stay like this, and I can make all the video that I want with high quality and great light. Well, everything that you need, really. One more thing that you can use is the tripod with a remote. This tripod comes with remote as well, with a phone holder that you can move it around. And this has many functions, and you can even increase the length. You can literally put it as a tripod like this, very long, and then you attach the phone right here. And it's perfect for like taking videos for TikTok or for any behind the scene that you want. Of course, you can put it, you can place it vertical as you want, and is amazing, it's unbelievable. You can attach the 2 arms on the side, even in this one, and it stays like this. So what you have to do is you just need to press record and don't care about anything else. The sound is gonna be good, the lights are it's gonna look good. So that's it. Such an amazing tool, right? You can also use it as a selfie stick. So it goes very long, and then, woo, like this. One more object that I really like is called the lens ball. It's basically a lens that allows you to take pictures in a very creative way, let's say. With your phone, you take pictures like this. I want to show you some example. What it does is basically reflecting the picture upside down. So you can create very cool effects. You don't need this, and it's very heavy. So if you need to walk for a long period of time, or if you need to travel and you can't leave your luggage in a hotel, this is pretty heavy. These are some examples of images that I shot with the lens ball. The last accessory that I want to show you is useful when you're taking pictures inside, especially. And these are simply fairy lights. It's exactly the ones that you see right here, or even right there. Usually you just need to put some batteries inside, and you can bring these literally anywhere. Very light, very useful, and allows you to create even depth of the image. But we'll have a look at this later on in the course. All these accessories that I show you are absolutely optional, but it makes a little more interesting the picture. Okay, this is all for now. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next one where we're going to talk about composition. Ciao!